make coconut burfi today? Sooraj asked his grandmother. Please? Only if you help me make it, eh? Replied Ammachi. Yay! Ready? Shouted Sooraj. Ready, said Ammachi. We'll only pick the ripe ones, okay? The ones that are brown all over. Watch out! Here they come! Whoosh! Whump! Now to get the husk off. Och! Crank! Sooraj's stomach went. Grrr. Ammachi giggled. Then we crack the shell like this. Katak! And grate the fruit. Toss it into the pan with all the other ingredients. It smells so good, Ammachi. Then we pour it all out onto a tray. Wait for it to cool, Baba. Now cut it into neat little slices. Squeak, squeak. Yippee! Our coconut burfi is ready to be eaten. Yum, yum, yum. Ammachi'S Burfi was made using simple machines. Simple machines make it easier to do work. There are 6 kinds of simple machines. 1. Inclined plane. 2. Lever. 3. Wheel and axle. 4. Wedge. 5. Pulley. 6. Screw. Can you identify the simple machines that Sooraj and Ammachi used in the process of making coconut burfi?